When you order the Biorfe Bokashi set, all the necessary materials to start the recycling are delivered to you in a box as a set. The reason there are 2 buckets in the set is for you to start using the second bucket when the first one is completely filled and enters the fermentation process. Airtight lids are special designed to be opened and closed easily. 2 special designed bucket lids. 1 compressing lid. 2 special designed perforated cisternas. 2 taps. 1 measuring cup. 1 package of Biorfe Bokashi bran. There is a user manual in the set where you can find answers to all your questions about the installation and the use of Biorfe Bokashi sets. Set installation starts by attaching the taps. One side of the gasket is large and the other side is narrow. To prevent leakage, the large surface of the gasket should be installed in contact with the buckets from both sides. The tap is placed with one gasket outside and one gasket inside. The nuts can be easily tightened by hand. The perforated cisterna is placed at the bottom of the bucket with the Biorfe logo on the top. One measure of the Biorfe Bokashi brand is spread homogeneously on the cisterna. Before throwing the waste away the bucket, it is important to break it into small pieces. Doing this will allow the Bokashi bottom water to come faster. All kinds of organic waste from kitchen, cooked or uncooked, all fruit and vegetable waste, dairy products, cooked leftovers, tea and coffee pulp can be thrown away the bucket. Moldy and rotten waste are not thrown away. After spreading the waste, a measure of Biorfe Bokashi brand is sprinkled homogeneously. With the help of the handle tool, wastes are compressed. This process both accelerates the fermentation and prevents odor formation. When the first bucket is filled completely, the handle tool starts to be used for the second bucket. It is important for fermentation that wastes remain in an airless environment. Therefore, it is necessary to make sure that the bucket is tightly closed. You can easily use the Biorfe Bokashi Compost set in a corner of your kitchen as it is odorless and insect-free. It is important that the buckets are located at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. Bokashi bottom water can be drained from the buckets within 15 or 20 days, depending on the waste type. The liquid drained regularly every day is diluted with 100% chlorine-free water and given to the plants. The filled bucket is kept for at least 2 weeks with its lids closed, in a place out of direct sunlight. The fermented pulp is buried to make compost in the garden or clay pot dug at a depth of 20 or 30 centimeters. We will all have a happy future with Biorfe.